Okay, next we have, it says, what is the probability if this was a spinner? And I'm sorry, I kind of forgot to draw the spinner in it. Like this has a little arrow on it, you know, like right now it's pointing to 1. Okay, so let's say you spin the spinner. What's the probability that if you spin the spinner, you land on an even number? So the rule is, how many choices do you have? Well, it's numbered 1 to 8, so there are 8 spaces. So it's going to be out of 8. And out of the 8 numbers, how many of them are even? 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even. Those are 4 numbers. Because if you think about it, 4 of them are even, 4 of them are odd. So the chances are 1/2 that you'll spin an even number. What's a probability that you'll spin and get a 6? Well, there are 8 choices, and of the 8 choices, only one of them is 6. So it's 1 in 8. Next it says, what's the probability that when you spin you get a number greater than 5? Well, there are 8 numbers, and on the spinner, the ones that are greater than 5 would be 6, 7, and 8. So that would be 3 of them, so the answer would be 3 8s on that. Alright, now let's look at our next problem. It says, find the probability that in a 4-child family you have all boys, 2 boys and 2 girls, or 3 boys and 1 girl. Okay, so first of all, you do have to just list all the possibilities. So in a 4-child family, you could have all boys. Okay, and then you could have 1 boy and 3 girls. So you could have boy, girl, 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 or the boy could be after the girl. So you could have girl, boy, girl, girl, or you could have girl, girl, boy, girl, or the boy could be last, and you have 3 girls and then a boy. This is the way you could get 3 girls and a boy. The same way you could get 1 girl and 3 boys, because you could have girl, boy, boy, boy. You could have boy, girl, boy, boy. You could have boy, boy, girl, boy. You could have boy, 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 girl. So this would be 3 girls, 1 boy. This is 3 boys, 1 girl. So those choices covered. Now you could have 2 boys and 2 girls. You could have boy, boy, girl, girl. You could have girl, girl, boy, boy. Or you could have boy, girl, boy, girl. You could have girl, boy, girl, boy. Or you could have a sandwich. You could have a boy sandwich. Girl, boy, boy, girl. Or you could have a girl sandwich. Boy, girl, girl, boy. So there are 6 ways you can have 2 girls and 2 boys. And then after that, you could have girl, 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 girl. So I think we covered all the possibilities. Now let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 possibilities, okay? Of the 16 possibilities, how many of them would be all boys? Only 1. So 1 in 16. How many of the choices gave us 2 boys and 2 girls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 out of 16, which I think reduces to be 3 out of 8. Okay? That's your possibilities of having 2 boys, 2 girls. How many give you 3 boys and 1 girl? Well, we had there's 16 possibilities, and of those 16 possibilities, 1, 2, 3, 4 were 3 boys and a girl. So 4/16 or 1/4. You really cannot do it some easier way, like, oh, you're just gonna somehow guess otherwise. I don't know if you could see all these. I guess you can. And that's how you decide. They could ask you any combination of these. When they say all boys or 2 boys, if they say 2 boys and 2 girls, they don't mean you had boy, boy, girl, girl. They just mean of your 4 children, you had 2 boys and 2 girls. So of that happening, you could have had 2 boys, 2 girls, 2 girls, 2 boys, boy, girl, boy, girl, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, boy, girl, or boy, girl, girl, boy. And then, of course, you can have all girls.